Alrighty, see? This is my chunk of hair. I am able, see, you can see this. Sorry, my garments are showing. Okay, I can move this part, even though that's tangled too. You can see there's still a little bit of knots there. But this part, I can't move. This whole thing is one knot. I should have a tripod for this. This is all one knot. See? This whole thing. This is why my hair is getting ripped out. See how thick it is? Do you see this? It's this wide across, this, can you tell how thick? I don't know. Sorry, I know this is like wobbly. You see how thick? I don't know if you can tell. So yeah, all of that, all the way across, all the way that thick, all of that, all the way up to here, way down to there, everything except for these little itty bitty pieces on the bottom. Besides the fact, do you see how it's all of this crown? All underneath there, do you see that? Still all super glue. Sorry, you're upside down. This is going to be all hard to watch, huh? Still all super glue. I cannot get any of it out. The crown part all around, still super glue. I could get it out around my hairline and around the bottom, where you see it's all pretty much kind of untangled, but not. But the crown part where the tangle is, see where you can't, it won't undo. See where it wiggles on the bottom, but it won't come out. Still super glued. Can't get it out. See it unfolds, but this, one huge knot. They're gonna all rip it out. 3 hours a day since I've gotten out last Friday, Friday before last Friday, whatever it was. This huge mass right here, all of it, one huge knot. I tried to take pictures, I'll post those too, but it wouldn't do it. All this. Huge handful